Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to dispute a charge on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once the app is open, tap on the activity icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a list of all your recent transactions. Next, scroll through the list and find the transaction you want to dispute. Tap on that transaction to open its details. From here, tap on the three dots or Options menu. Now select the option labeled Need Help and then choose Cash App Support. After that, tap on Dispute this transaction to start the dispute process. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide the required details about the charge. Make sure the information you submit is accurate so Cash App can review the issue properly. If the charge is unauthorized or related to fraud, you can also contact your bank or card issuer to file a chargeback for additional support. So that's basically how you can dispute a charge on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.